Hey, good people, good afternoon. Troy here. And in this video, I'm going to be doing a Simple Commissions Mailbot review. But most importantly, I want to talk about knowing your stats. And I encourage you to watch this video through to the end. If what I share with you makes sense, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Who's this video for? This video is either for people that are looking for a online business, a work from home opportunity, and this video is also for people that are already involved in the home business industry, but maybe you're not getting the results it is that you want, and you want to be able to double your momentum or even triple it. So give me your full undivided attention for the next few minutes, and let's dig right in. Now, knowing your stats is important, and it's hard enough trying to keep up with your own statistics. But one of the good things about Mailbot is that if I send it an email at any given time, day or night, and in that email I send my Mailbot in the subject line the word stats, and then I send that email, it's going to give me a full report on whatever stats it is that I've had. So I joined Mailbot about 5 weeks ago. I think I'm going into my 5th week now. Total leads through the system, I'm just going to share some numbers. 78. 95% of these leads came right off of social media. Total leads who want to join, 13 people are waiting to join this program. Total signups, I got 25. Conversion rate, 32.05%. Now, if you compare this to other email marketing systems, campaigns, that's a very high conversion rate, 32.05%. I don't think in the many years I've been involved in the online industry, I don't think I've seen anything really that high that's automated. Remember what I just said. Total replies sent. My Mailbot sent 119 replies for people that had questions about Mailbot itself or had questions about my other biz ops. Total unsubscribed, 7. Very, very low number, right? Total conversations, Mailbot maintained 109 active conversations with people that sent it any inquiries, and total earnings to date through Mailbot alone, 1,350. Now, income disclaimer, like any other business, there are no guarantees of earnings. Your earnings are based on your own personal effort. But let's keep in mind, in 5 weeks, $1,350 was earned from Mailbot. And yes, it has made me money in my other biz ops. Some folks want to know, does Mailbot and Simple Commissions, do they really pay you? Here's my answer. This payment came in this afternoon. You can see my name here. This was for $150. This came in at today's date, August 17th, 3:45 in the afternoon. So yes, Mailbot does pay. Simple Commissions does pay. These are instant direct payments. And now we're going to spend just a couple of minutes talking about the program. So what is Simple Commissions? Simple Commissions is the opportunity. Mailbot is the product. And as it says here, this AI email assistant pays you $100 instantly while effortlessly promoting multiple offers. You can automate lead follow-ups, sales conversations, and instant $100 payouts all in one powerful AI-driven email funnel. Now, I just want to add one thing. It doesn't happen often, but I've had 2 people since I started this thing that basically came out and said to me, well, the program looks really good, but you know, thanks to ChatGPT, I'm able to create my own emails using AI. So why do I need Mailbot? And my answer is really simple. Two reasons. Number one, ChatGPT is not paying you. You can't make unlimited $100 with ChatGPT. You can't direct ChatGPT, and I have nothing against it, but you cannot direct it to promote up to 3 different business opportunities for you and automate the process 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If I'm wrong, then someone correct me, but as of right now, it cannot do that. So this is going to automate lead follow-ups, sales conversations, and instant $100 payouts, all in one powerful AI-driven email funnel. The very first thing that you're going to do when you get access to this page is you're going to watch this quick 3-minute video overview. And the most important thing I want you to do is I want you to send my Mailbot an email and get a free demo on how this system works. One of the very first things I really enjoyed about this as I joined and got started is, I asked it a couple of questions. I mean, nobody had heard of it. I asked it a couple of questions, and every single time I sent it an email, every response hit my inbox, and the follow-up messages hit my inbox. I used one of my free Gmail accounts, and to this day, for me personally, every single one of those emails has hit either my inbox or my promotions tab. Mostly the inbox, nothing has gone to spam. So think about the logics behind that, and make sure that you get your free demo. How do you do that? As soon as this video is over, just go to the description. You're going to see some simple instructions in the description. Follow the instructions, get your own free demo. And if this video made sense to you, you got some value from it, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. With that being said, thanks so much for watching. Once again, I'm Troy. I hope you have an amazing day. Take care.